I have 4000 plus PNG pictures. Hello everyone, I am Faizullah Firozi. I will share with you a lot of PNG pictures. You can download this and its link is in the video description. I will show you this a lot of picture. I have background picture like this, a lot of background picture for mobile, for computer, and a lot of them. It also have education PNG pictures like this. That's very beautiful picture. All of them are PNG picture. Like, look at this. And also it have emoji pictures. This is a lot of emoji pictures. Look at. And also it have flower. All of them are PNG picture like this, and also it has a general image picture for you, and also for graphic, for gun, as for gun. Also it have Islamic background picture, Islamic picture. Also for logo, it's very beautiful logo pictures. It have lens or light or color picture. No copyright mobile frame. Also other effects. A lot of beautiful picture I have here. If you look at for social media, I can for subscribe PNG, a lot of them are PNG like this. This all of them are PNG picture. You can use for everything. This is for site, and also for text, for tattoo PNG. All of them are for tattoo. Look at. Guys, for 3, all of them are PNG. I will share this with you. Afghanistan or Afghanistan symbols, a lot of symbols. Dear, if you like, this is cartoon. Also, this is bottle. Also, guys, if you like this video, you subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you very good. I will share with you this zip file. Click on this and extract here. It has a password. Its password is Afghanistan. Its password is Afghanistan. I will write here. Thank you, dear brothers. I will close and you will show here. Thank you, dear. Goodbye.